The four elements that you need to have to consider bringing a medical malpractice case are: number one, negligence. That is, somebody did something wrong. Number two, they had to have departed from the standard of care, which they ordinarily should have done. They misread an x-ray when they should have read it a different way. They discharge you from the emergency room when you should have stayed in the emergency room. So that's negligence, standard of care, and then causation, which is also a legal term. And that means that if the doctor had done what he or she should have done, then you wouldn't have suffered your injury. You wouldn't have had a heart attack. You wouldn't have had spreading of your cancer. You wouldn't have had a misread x-ray, and your condition would have been properly diagnosed. That's called causation. So you need negligence, departure from the standard of care, negligence, and then of course you need an injury that happened to you as a result of the negligence that caused the injury. So the negligence, the causation, and the injury all come together. Now the injury is, you could have that heart attack that killed you, that you never should have had in the first place, or if you did have a heart attack, it would have been a very minor incident. It was that x-ray that was misread, and you should have had stage 1 cancer instead of stage 4 cancer, which has a very different life expectancy. Or you could have had a diagnosis of cancer much sooner than it ordinarily was diagnosed. So anytime that those four elements are present in the medical situation, or what has happened to you or a loved one, that constitutes medical malpractice.
For more information, go to erlegal.com.